So yeah, now efficiency wise, right, stopping at 20 right now would be like the best one. It's the most efficient. And then you slowly do like phase 1 and 2, only phase 1 and 2, to because you can't do 3 and 4, 5, 6, because that's like higher item level requirement. And then like you slowly like change the gear into the Belshazzar and upgrade. That's the most efficient way. So yeah, but a lot of you guys probably don't wanna just do phase 1 and 2. You wanna do up to phase 6. Same with me as well. If I were there, I would probably raise my weapon to 23, so it becomes a plus 15, and I would upgrade like my armor to like plus 21, basically. Would end up at around 1510, which allows you to do phase 1, 2, 3, 4 in the first week. Craft one piece of like the Belshazzar gear and upgrade it to 1520. That's what I would do. Is that what you should do? No, I mean like it's up to you. What do you wanna do right there? 10-5, 10-5. This one, Mashkin Man, this one, this one. So for level 4 tripods, right, like the way to do it, right, you can buy it if you want to, if you want to be faster, if you FOMO yourself, you want level 4 tripod right away. But the easiest way is to not actually like you just wait for it to drop, basically. You know, you don't need it until like later, like maybe in clown or something like that. You just find like a level 4 tripod already that you can work with right here. You can use this here. You have like a second tab in case people are unaware. You can have a second tab over here. Then you just save this over here. Save it there. You know, this is for your weapon right here. Weapon piece level 4 right here, right? You can sell this after that if you still want some gold right there. You can save this after that. But then like at the same time, right? You have like this like, so this is how it works, right? Basically this is how you work slowly. You find like one trash gear right here. This is trash gear. I have all of this tripod already, so I don't need it, right? You can replace it into this one, basically. Replace it into this one. So this is like from like your old one, right? Basically, you already sold your old one earlier. Now this is like your current, your like template gear, basically. You lock this so you don't mistakenly dismantle it, right? So now with this gear, right, you find like I don't know, a level 4 tripod or something. So where was the gear right here? This one, level 4 tripod, right? You find like another level 4 tripod or something, and then you work on this 10%, one by one right there. If you succeed, right, then now you have like 2 level 4 that you can use. Save it again over here, basically. Save it again here. Save it again over here, and one by one. Once you have like multiple level 4, if you think it's worth it, right, then next one, you move into your actual one and you put it over there. That's your current gear right now. So you don't need to like throw away your current like tripod. You just need like, you know, 6 pieces as a template for this one. Broken gear, doesn't have to be Argos gear or anything. And then like one by one you work on that template for the level 4. Then once you have all level 4, you transfer it to your actual gear. Then you can dismantle the old one. That's basically like at least that's the way I do it. I mean, I don't really see any other way to actually like work on it aside from like, you know, throwing away your old tripod, which is like, why would you? But yeah, I don't know if that's clear enough or not. So yeah, but yeah, that's like basically how I would work on my level 4 tripods. 10% from that's like, how it goes. Support done. Raid captain, full efficiency. Belshazzar that chart on your screen. This is the Belshazzar gear. So yeah, can work with that. May take some time, but should be fun. But yeah, I mean, this is like the chart for the Belshazzar gear change right now. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it right now, but yeah, this is like a 20. This is like the basic relic weapon that you have. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. This is the item level. And this is where the conversion goes to the Belshazzar relic gear. So yeah, now efficiency wise, right, stopping at 20 right now would be like the best one. It's the most efficient. And then you slowly do like phase 1 and 2, only phase 1 and 2, because you can't do 3 and 4, 5, 6, because that's like higher item level requirement. And then like you slowly like change the gear into the Belshazzar and upgrade. That's the most efficient way. So yeah, but a lot of you guys probably don't want to just do phase 1 and 2. You want to do up to phase 6. Same with me as well. If I were there, I would probably raise my weapon to 23, so it becomes a plus 15, and I would upgrade like my armor to like plus 21, basically. Would end up at around 1510, which allows you to do phase 1, 2, 3, 4 in the first week. Craft one piece of like the Belshazzar gear and upgrade it to 1520. That's what I would do. Is that what you should do? No, I mean like it's up to you. What do you want to do right there? But basically if I were there, I would have 23 weapon and 21 armor. Reason why I stop at 23 on weapon, because 24 is 0.5% base chance. For 21 on armor is because 21 is still 3%, so it's still easy to tap it. So yeah, that's basically how it is right there. But if you're asking about efficiency, you don't care about like phase 5, 6, or if you're catching up with like let's say you're late hitting to Belshazzar, then you can stop at 4090 and just like upgrade one by one. So yeah, that's basically what you would do right there. But yeah, you can do whichever you want. That's basically how it is right there. It's also for people that are like right now like plus 20 or something like that, close to like 1470. Then yeah, you decide on like what eye level you want to stop. So yeah, flat 20 is the most efficient. But you can do whichever one. So yeah, but this is the Belshazzar relic table. So yeah, I'll go to gate 4 week 1 and I need 21 gear, 23 weapon. No, not necessarily. Gate 3 and 4 is like 1500 eye level, right? So you can have like all 21, or you can have all 20, craft like the first piece of like Belshazzar, because you can do it after like the first two gate. You get like first clear reward to give you material, right? With that material you can craft 1 gear of Belshazzar. So one of your armor, not the weapon, you can craft weapon because weapon is a lot of materials, but the armor you can craft and it becomes 12, and you can upgrade it to plus 16, and that will basically get you to 1510. So you can have like plus 20 flat and then a plus 16 Belshazzar gear, and you're 1500 to do gate 3 and 4. Your weapon is low though at plus 20, so your damage is kind of lacking there. But yeah, I would go 23 as well, 70. So yeah, I would stop at 23, do the armor, and I would like just chill over there. After that I would stop. So yeah, and then do Belshazzar like week like the first week up until phase 6. So yeah, but yeah, it's not like a tip or anything as well, Ronaldo. Basically this is how it works, right? You know, and this is how the distribution is. How do you want to do it? You decide. But 20 is the most efficient, but I wouldn't do that. I would do 23 weapon, 21 armor for Belshazzar first phase 6 week 1. But that's up to you. So yeah, you decide on your own. So yeah, you're an adult, so you decide on your own. But yeah, because Alan said 21 would be efficient sweep shot. Not really. 21 is actually like not really that good, because 21 becomes a plus 13, so you get only 15 item level when transferring it right there. So that's actually less efficient. So yeah, but if you have plus 20 flat, you plus 21 flat, you can do phase 3 and 4. But you could have done it with flat 20 anyway, because you can craft like the Belshazzar gear. 21 is relatively cheap, but it's still like, you know, you lose it when you transfer basically. When you transfer it, it's less gain. That's basically how it is right there. So yeah. But yeah, my plan, Crims, would be 23 weapon, 21 armor, yeah. Everyone saying 21 for weapon. If you do 21 for weapon, your weapon is not cutting it for like phase 5 and 6. So yeah. 21 is even already sus for 3 and 4. It's already sus for phase 3 and phase 4. And then you want to take it to phase 5 and 6? No. So yeah, for you, Bard, I can just go armor. Bard, you can just go armor, yeah. You can just raise the armor if you want to, yeah. So yeah, it's up to you. Yep, I do understand Korean, yes. How much more damage 23 weapon compared to like 20? They are around like 5%. So yeah. They are like around 5%, maybe like 4 to 5%. So yeah. So if you don't bring grudge, that's how much you're losing. But yeah, I mean, like, you decide, man. But yeah, the higher the weapon is, the less damage gain you get. At this point right here, 1920 weapon, you barely get like 1% at this point. So yeah. But yeah, that's basically how it goes. Right? You think 23 weapon and 1 for more armor. That's what I would do. Yeah, I'm not telling you you should do that. But yeah, it's up to you. You can't craft weapon the first week. That I can tell you. Even if you do phase 6 right away, you can't craft weapon the first week. So your weapon is not gonna be stronger. So yeah. Is there a Belshazzar gear increase or still 3%? Nah. 12 to 13 is 10%. 10%, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 1.5. So yeah, that's the base chance of this like upgrade for the Belshazzar. You guys can see my mouse, right? So yeah. So it's easier to upgrade right here. If you get the 20 gear, you transfer it into plus 12, right, for the Belshazzar. It's 10% to get to 13. That's so easy, man. That's super easy. But yeah, that's basically how it goes right there. So yep. That's how it goes. That's how it goes right there. Grow your roster, farm materials, gold for your rubble. Rubble? But yeah. But this is how it goes right there. Now this is not a really react segment, Obi-Wan. I'm just explaining, like, you know, the, what's the name? The Belshazzar, like a relic table and how they change. And like what scenario you would do, what I would do. You decide on what you wanna do basically. So yeah, you can go in different Belshazzar gate with different groups. You can. Each gate you can go with different group, just like in Valton. So yeah. So Belshazzar 15 have 23 glow. No, it's actually lower. So when you go to Belshazzar, you get downgraded one upgrade. If you're a plus 20 glow, which is blue and gold, right? Plus 12 is 19 glow, the pink glow. But if you get to 13, it becomes blue and gold again. So yeah, 21 from like purple and gold becomes becomes blue and gold right here plus 13. Then you raise it again, etc. But basically you downgrade one glow. So yeah, you got months to hit 23. This thing here is like half a year away. You don't have to worry about this that much. So yeah, it's gonna be a while until then. Was 1510 for 3-4, 1500 for 3-4, 1520 for 5-6. So there is a slight jump on like the 3-4 and 5-6. But it's 1500 for 3-4. So yeah, Quinox, thank you for the follow, man. One tap, thank you for the follow, welcome. But yeah, people do 2 gates at a time though for the gates. The reason why people do 2 gates at a time in Korea is because back in the day, the checkpoint was every 2 gates. That kinda sucks, of course. Because like, you know, you go one of gate first, second gate, people pega out, you disband, you have to do gate 1 again. Now not anymore, they change it to like per gate. But people are used to doing 2 gates in Korea, so we do 2 gates always. So yeah, that's like back in the day. So yeah, that's different right there. Didn't hear, are the honing rates the same? No, it's not the same. It's easier to upgrade. Basically, are gonna push our weapon 22 and the rest armor 21. I would push the weapon to 23. 22 is like, you're really cutting it close, yeah. You're really trying to cheap out for like Belshazzar phase 5 and 6. So yeah, I wouldn't stop at 22. 23 is where I would stop. So yeah. So I would raise it higher. The reason why I raise it higher before changing to Abril is because I can do phase 5 and 6 in the first week. So yep. What I craft the first week, Valton, exclamation gear set. So yeah. Getting to 20 is gonna take me forever. Dude, you still have half a year. Until then. You don't even have Vicus right now. And you're already thinking 23? You're not even there yet. You haven't even done Vicus. You have no idea where you're getting into, dude. You have a long time until then. So yeah, honing gets easier when you swap to like the Belshazzar gear. So yeah, it gets easier. Gets easier. Ashriel, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome, dude. But yeah, it gets easier for people that are catching up. Let's say like Belshazzar comes out right there, and you're 1475, right? Then if you get to 1490, right, you can stay at 1490 because that's the most efficient and just do Belshazzar and chase the gear. It will be easier to upgrade. But you can't do phase 3, 4, 5, 6. You can't do that yet. But I mean, like for you guys that are like ahead right now, 1470 item level, well, you're already ahead. You're probably gonna be like more than that. You're gonna be 1490 probably like before Clown is even out. At that point, you decide you wanna stay 1490 for the efficient to upgrade, or you wanna go higher. So you can do phase 5 and 6. 3, 4, 5, 6 basically. Because those requires you to go higher than plus 20. If you wanna do that. So yeah. Must to do list. I never say it's a must to do. I'm giving you options here. And scenarios on like what's gonna happen for you. So yeah. It's up to you over there. So yeah. Lots like it's just like up to you. That's your decision what you wanna do. But I told you what I'm gonna do if I were in your position. Now, if you want to do the same thing as I do, great, that's fine. But if you want to just like, you know, make it efficient and just do like plus 20, that's good as well. That's what I do on all of my alts, because my alts is catching up, right? So yeah, Eternity, thank you for my welcome. Where could I get to free engraving books on Bridge? You're gonna get it soon. Keep forgetting, I see. Well, it's fun actually, don't worry about it. But yeah, welcome dude, welcome. Yeah, this is normal or how? This is normal. This is I'm speaking for normal because hard mode has a higher eye level threshold. So yeah, you're not gonna get hard at the same time as normal anyway. So yeah, what's the reason to rush? There is no reason to rush. There is no reason to rush. It's just that like here's the thing, right? You know, you can do Valter normal at 14-15, but people wanna do the hard one. Same exact reason. You can do Abril like a phase 1 and 2 and just slowly upgrade there. But some people wanna do 3, 4, 5, 6 as well. So that's why I give you the option. You decide what do you wanna do. Because if that was me, I would wanna do 5, 6 as well. That's why I'm gonna raise higher. If you don't want to, you don't have to. So yeah, does hard release with normal? It doesn't. For Belshazzar, it doesn't release for like hard and normal. So yeah, what was Cuckoo Heart? There is no Cuckoo Heart, but it's 1475. So yeah. Minimum requirement 21 armor, 20 weapon 23, long way to go. It's not that minimal requirement, but basically those would set you up for like Belshazzar phase 5 and 6. It's not really minimal requirement. Can you do it with plus 22? Yeah. But like that doesn't mean that like you're pulling your own weight. Maybe someone else will pull your own weight, get a whale in your party or something, but yeah. That's basically how it goes right there. So yeah, you said armor 21 and weapon 23 for Braille 5-6 and that only 1510 though? Correct, yes. And that's why I said as well, when you clear the first phase 1 and 2, you can craft one piece of armor because of the first time reward. You craft that one piece of armor, 21 becomes 13, right? 15, 20, you get 3.3 item level. Then you upgrade it to plus 17. That specific armor. Because chance is easier. This is like 5%, 5%, 4%, 4%. Easy enough to upgrade. You upgrade it 7 to 17. Now you're 15, 20 with 23 weapon. So now you can do the Belshazzar phase 5 and 6. And you have 23 weapon, which is enough for phase 5 and 6. But yeah, that's basically how it goes right there. You can do hard 1, 2 and the rest normal, right? You can, but I mean like hard Abro is not gonna come out together. So yeah, 5, 6 with me. If you sponsor me, Crims. But yeah, that's basically like the plan that I would do right there. I outlined it already. If you wanna do the same, feel free. If not, it's up to you. You decide right there. So yeah, that's basically like the table chart for like the Belshazzar gear right here. So yeah. Okay, let's go back.